Yes, so Oga Madam, how una day? Una well done. Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever una day for the world. This now NaijaEconomyGist, where they try to break down how our government policies and CBN policies they affect your pocket. I'll be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I made to bring you this money matter. And for today's episode, we dey talk about something will be the cornerstone of our economy, something where our entire economy, our entire money day about. We dey talk about oil, as my people they call them. I see news we talk say our oil production don't drop seriously from 1.42 million barrels per day. It don't drop to only 30,000 barrels per day. Think about them. Waiting the mean for you. They say now pipeline vandalism they cause am. We don't hear about this vandalism for long time now. So vandalism don't make us lose over 1.4 million barrels. How this 1.4 million barrels they take come up for the country? Where we do only officially get 30,000 barrels per day. Where 1.4 million take pass? How we take disappear? How they take the export this oil where we don't know? Waiting to our customs, waiting to our soldiers, waiting to all those people. But we don't be political show, we be economic show, so make we follow the money. Now, it don't even end there. The Dangote Refinery, that big refinery where all of us they happy, all of us where service my economy, they happy say, go help change things, because if we know they export oil like that again, it may say we're not going to look for dollar like that and then things go stabilize. Maybe price of petrol go drop down because it's going to make home, so the price go reduce. But even that refinery, Dangote Refinery itself, don't start to the import crude oil from US. Why? Because our own NNPC no one supply to the guy. Even the small one when they supply, they say they won't even cut him. So him, because he be businessman, he no go wait for government to they do up and down, to they do and come to they come tomorrow. He got find way to get oil. So he no start to the import from US, which means say now instead going to demand the dollar, and then dollar price going to increase even more, because you're not going to buy them for small quantity, you go buy them for large quantity, and so inflation go rise, dollar go rise, our pocket go dey empty. So now waiting this thing mean for us, dropping production barrels from 1.4 million to 30,000 oil. I'll just talk so the thing go dey click for the mind, okay? So waiting they mean for us, it means say government no get plenty money like that again, because we dey depend on oil. So we have lost 1.4 million barrels. So money no go enter our pocket like that. It means say less money to circulate, less money for road, less money for school, less money for hospital, less money for palliative, less money for all of those things. And it also means say the price of fuel will go up again. It already dey high. It go even double or triple or quadruple, because we don't get money like that. And if the price of oil go up, automatically it go affect everything where we dey buy. Everything where we dey eat. Okay? It means say food price go up, transportation price go up, your salary no go up, price for clothes go up. Nothing go happen. So we guys they ask question, waiting government they do to stop vandalism. The people don't they cry about oil bunkering, vandalism, but nothing don't change. Waiting government they do to stop this vandalism. And also, why did they try to threaten Dangote Refinery when we supposed to support local business? Why would we just support our own? So what it be billionaires? So what it they make billions and billions of dollars? So what? In they provide service where Nigeria need, and the things where they do go they mutually beneficial. So in go making billions, Nigeria go they okay. Why then they try to harass this guy? Why they no want supply to the guy? Because he ask question, no? And also which year we go increase our oil production again? Because towards the end of last year, the Minister of Petroleum talk said Nigeria get plans to increase petroleum, but instead, it don't fall. So T-Pain, because we talk P-Pain, permanent pain, as things they go on. But anyways, my people, make we not just fold in a hand, make we use our voice, so make we demand better from our leaders, so because if we no talk, things no go change. So make una think about what I don't hear today. And make una also go research about ourselves. Make una just take my word for the thing. Make una go research to see whether I just exaggerate or I they talk rubbish or if I they talk true. But in the meantime, before I go research, I beg make una press the like button right here for YouTube. Make sure press subscribe if you never subscribe already. And if you do us a favor, make sure go follow us on social media at NaijaEconomyGist. You can see all of that description right here for the episode description. Until next time, I'll be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I don't bring you the money matter. Make una keep una eyes open, make una shine your eye, and hustle strong. Stay safe, my people. Peace.